What is happening, guys? How's everybody doing out there? Happy Friday. I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, do yourself a favor, guys. Go to the link in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Go there, check it out, see what I got going on. All right, we're back. We're back to talk about a program. Let's go over here. Talk about a program in which you can earn daily pay with the #1 interactive digital marketing program of 2025 and beyond. How would you like to earn, guys? 100% commission, no middleman. Instant commissions directly to your account. You get a step-by-step blueprint. It's already been proven. This program came out, it was launched March of last year, 2024. So it's already been proven to work if you follow it. Okay? And you get your step-by-step blueprint. It comes with a 2-hour work day. All right? Blueprint guide to show you exactly what you need to do every day. It gives you 2 hours, but it's not 2 hours. It doesn't have to be just straight 2 hours. You can break those 2 hours up throughout your day, right? Because if you're busy, living a busy life, you got a job, you have family, whatever you got going on, you can break those 2 hours up into 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, different increments, right? You get all of that with this here. All right, if you ever wanted to learn how to make money online, this would be the program you want to check out. www.coffeeandcoins.info. Now, you're looking at a page you probably never seen before. That's because I'm using a third-party system, the simple digital success marketing system. It's third-party. This one is not the free system that comes with the program. If you want the free system with system.io that comes with the program, that link is in the description as well, and that one's www.thecopypastemethod.com. All right, but if you want this system, it's www.coffeeandcoins.info, and that link is in the description. Okay, but this is the system that I'm using. I'm promoting them both different places. All right, but watch this video. If you go to coffeeandcoins.info, if you want to see how this whole system works, what type of autoresponder you're going to receive, all that, coffeeandcoins.info. Watch this video. So anyway, it is a simple digital business, as easy as 1, 2, 3, as I explained, because you're going to get the blueprint. You're not going to have to guess. This is not a course that's just sitting in your dashboard where you own your own by yourself. You're in business for yourself with us here, but you're not by yourself, because you're going to get support through a community, a thriving community, I may add, with weekly webinars, one-on-one interactive support and training. Okay, so it is simple. Okay, not saying it's always going to be easy. Okay, because you have to stick and stay. You have to do some work. This is affiliate marketing. This is not a program where you can just buy it, sit back, and then sales are just going to fly in. Okay, you have to actually take action and follow the steps and be consistent with your marketing. But check it out. All you're going to need to do is buy your program. Purchase one of the programs. There's 4 programs in here. So you can get in where you fit in. We're going to be thriving in 2025, right? That's your goal. But you've got to purchase the product. All right? You will get instant access to your step-by-step digital training and amazing community. That's going to be instantly. As soon as you make your purchase, you're going to get an email from Digital Growth Community, and then you'll have access to everything. Step 2, you're going to get your automated system. You've got options. Okay, as I explained earlier, you can launch your business with the 100% free system that comes with the program at www.thecopypastemethod.com, right? That comes with the product and the purchase of the program. Or you can plug into this one that you're watching right now. These pages, this page is one of the sales pages. You can plug into this one. This is the SDS marketing system you're experiencing, and to explode your business, to create additional passive income. Okay. Number 3, of course, you're going to earn while you learn. There's no race here. Go at your own pace. Okay. But we show you step by step. So you're going to start earning an income while you learn this business by following the blueprint. A simple but powerful digital franchise. All right. Here's a lot of, we've got tons of testimonies. Tons and tons and tons and tons. When I tell you thousands. So that's why this is not on trial. Whether it's going to work, I don't know if it's going to work, all that. This program works. It absolutely works if you follow it. Of course, I can't make any guarantees of what you're going to earn because I don't know your work ethics. I don't know what you're going to do with the blueprint, right? So, because it's at your own efforts. That's why. Okay, so what you put in is what you get out. That's how this goes. That's affiliate marketing. Okay, you have to do the promoting, but the steps are here to show you what to do. And then you have support. All right, the Legacy Builder Program. That's the name of the program. The online business that has everything you need to create a successful online business is included in this program. One-of-a-kind community. Interact with other members where you can learn from some of the best digital marketers and discover how to grow your business by creating multiple income streams. This is an automated system, by the way. Once you set it up, all you have to do is promote it, and the system will do all the sifting and sorting, selling and telling for you. That's the object of systems, so they can do the selling for you, so you don't have to explain this stuff to people. You never want to try to get somebody on the phone and say, well, let me tell you what it's all about. No. Send them to the system. Okay? So, as I said earlier, you're going to get a 2-hour workday where you can pace yourself. Launch your business, follow the proven blueprint, work 2 hours a day, and you're done. But again, you can do this while you're doing other things. Even if you're working, even if you live a busy life, right? Just follow the blueprint and do it in bite-size time frames, okay? It can fit in with whatever you're doing. See, that's the difference. Just fit it in with whatever you're doing, all right? Now, check out this testimony here. I like this one from Jeffrey, just one of the testimonies, because I love to show folks how it doesn't matter what age you are. We've got people from 18 to 80 to 90 years old doing this program. You don't have to be technical. None of that applies here. No experience is required. Absolutely none. So check out Jeffrey's, a snippet of Jeffrey's testimony. This is the real deal. You can check this out at www.coffeeandcoins.info if you want this system. Once again, all right? Check it out.
Look, folks, I'm 67 years old. I have a wife, 4 kids, 12 grandchildren. You're never too old to do this. We have people 80, 84. We have people that are 18, 19, and everybody in between. Everybody can do this successfully. We have people from all over the world, all different types of lives, all different situations, and they're still being successful. I was working 70 to 80 hours a week. I still found time to put a 2-hour workday with your income earning activity in the nooks and crannies of my day. 20 minutes here, 30 minutes there, 45 minutes, an hour. The 14 hours a week that I work replaced the income of the 35 to 40 hour week second job that I had had. That didn't include gas. That didn't include the 2-hour drive to and from. That was just the 35 to 40 hours a week plus everything else on top of that. Because of this business, I made that. I tell people that this community will restore your faith in humanity because the people that are in here care. They want to celebrate you. They don't care if you're making more money than they are. They don't care that you got that you made money more quickly than they did. Everybody celebrates everybody else and brings everybody else along. This community will absolutely change your life. Do yourself a favor. Get back with the person that sent you here. Get with them and get off the fence, for God's sakes.
Guys, my name is Marianne.
Shout out to Jeffrey. Shout out to Jeffrey. That's awesome. Love it, love it, love it. All right. Yes. Shout out to Jeffrey. All right. So you get that. It's like 15 minutes here. You can see 15 minutes of testimonials because you have this system. Okay. This is included. So that's on this page right here. Okay. And you go to www.coffeeandcoins.info to get it. All right. So all this is on this page, right? 2025 goals, grow and manage your business easier by using automated systems, learn how to use social media to grow your business, create new or additional streams of income, learn more about AI to grow your business, use AI to create, it helps your business. All right, you're going to get all this within the Legacy Builder program. Okay, so there's one remaining question. Do you want an automated legacy wealth producing machine for one lifetime payment? There's no monthly fees. All right, one-time payment. If you answer yes, click this green button here. 3 steps, guys, 4 programs. Let's go over those programs. All right, Automated Legacy Builder program. You get these bonuses. I'm going to let you read over this at your leisure. Okay, I just want to go over the 4 programs that you're going to get. Doesn't matter which program you purchase, everybody gets these bonuses. All right, so the Legacy Builder program itself is $900. Okay, that includes all 4 programs, and it's $29 for your website. That's it. So you would spend $929 one time and get access to all 4 programs. That means you're able to earn, guys, $100, $300, $600, and $900 commissions. Okay, lifetime access. All right, if you're not ready for the $900 program, guess what? We got 3 others that you can take a look at. The Digital Mastery, that's $600, so it will be $629. If you get that one, then you're able to earn $600, $300, and $100. You'll get 3 programs. Okay, so take a look at that. You know, get in where you fit in. If not the $600, and you can always upgrade later, by the way. Okay, if you're not ready for the $600, well, we have the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint. It's only $300. Again, remember, this is one time. So with this one, it will be $300 for the program and then $29 for your website. Then this one will allow you to be able to earn $300 commissions and $100 commissions. You'd get these 2, the Daily Blueprint and the Launchpad. Okay, if you're not there yet, guess what? We have a beginner's program. The Launchpad is $100 plus $29. It'll be $129. Okay, and then you'd be able to earn $100 every time you sell this one. And again, you can always upgrade. Okay, so there's your 4 programs. Make your payment with a debit card or credit card. It's up to you, and you're going to get instant access. All right, again, here's the bonuses that I talked about. Everybody's going to get these. Doesn't matter which one of those programs that you sign up with. You're going to get access to the community, where you can get 24/7 support, weekly Zooms. You can connect with fellow members, all right, to get real-time feedback. You're going to get access to the Canva crash course, the 1 million in 17 months blueprint, the invisible faceless marketing, 30-day growth plan, 200 digital product ideas. How about that? 200 ideas. You want to build a business around products you love? Well, you can start there. There's 200 ideas of different products that you can create. 100% commissions, right? 100% commission secrets, the millionaire mindset. All those bonuses are included. And of course, this is the page. This is just one of the sales pages that you're going to get access to. Okay. Wonderful, absolutely wonderful system. Love it. So what you can do, go to the link in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info if you want this system. If you want the free system, okay, where you get system.io, go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. Okay, guys? That's it. That's all. Go check this thing out. It's already been proven. You heard Jeffrey. Over 67? Over 60 years old. And he was working a job, okay, in a warehouse. And he was able to fit in those income producing activities, those 2-hour income producing activities in the midst of all that at his young age. All right. So if you're ready, let's go. Link in the description. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Until next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.